This is Pa Usman Youth with Gambian Talents Promotion. Right now, I am at this warehouse in Olympia, Washington. This is the capital city of Washington. That's where I'm at right now. You can see it very busy. Behind me is a warehouse, a new partnership we have established. And I came to pick up a whole bunch of stuff, like several thousands and hundreds of different types of items here. As you can see, I'm very delighted and happy. Yeah, as you can see right now, this is my van here. In this, you will find all kinds of items, anywhere from school supplies to baby stuff to cleaning supplies. We have masks, we have hand sanitizers, we have different kinds of supplies here. Have several boxes. The van is fully loaded with all kinds of stuff, as you can see on both sides. Ñaari sides yëpp a fees tepp. Gis ngeen moto bi naka la feesee nii tepp. Alhamdulillah. This is all for our partnership. Some are for here and some we are sending to Gambia. I mean, we are very glad for this new opportunity. Like we said, Gambian Talents Promotion is here to link up the Gambian community in Washington with resources and information. So gis ngeen lii, we're gonna put it in our warehouse, and with time, inshallah, dinañ leen wax naka lañ ko defee. So these are all school supplies and stuff, several thousands of boxes of different kind of items, as you can see. So watch out for our new programs that are coming through. Jërë ngeen jëf.